Thank you so much for being here and watching. Today we're opening up the March Fruit for Thought box. I'm super excited to see what is inside. This subscription is so cute. So every month Fruit for Thought has a theme that is based around fruit and vegetables. And it sounds silly, but the items are always so well curated and so cute. I can't remember what the theme is this month. Usually at each box they give you a sneak peek of what's coming. And I don't know if I just have a really poor memory or I get way too many boxes, but I can't remember. So can't wait to see what's inside. I have a promo code with Fruit for Thought, so I am going to leave the link, the promo code down below and the pricing information, and I will also link down in the description box an active giveaway I have going on that ends at the end of the month. So if you have not yet entered, definitely check out that video after watching this one. So here is their little logo on the box. This is what it comes in, and yeah, let's get this open and see what we got. Open it up. This is what I see. There's also a note that fell out, so let's see what this says. Oh wow, so it says, hi, we have lowered our prices starting with the April box. Oh my god, a subscription box lowering their prices? Does that ever happen? Awesome. So new monthly box pricing is $39.99 plus $5.95 for shipping for 5 to 7 items. And current subscribers will renew at the new price and will continue to receive 1 extra item until they renew. We are no longer taking subscriptions for our mini box, and here it lists my promo code Kitty10, which is 10% off your first month. So again, I'm going to leave that all down below, but that is great. So they're lowering their price, and then it looks like they no longer will have the mini box. So they have like the regular box and the mini up until now. I'm opening up the regular box, so yeah, they've got some changes going on. I think that's exciting. So I will leave all the information down below. Again, like I've said probably multiple times. Okay, now here's the March theme. March theme is Circus time. And on the back, it kind of gives you a little description of what's inside. It doesn't have pricing information or anything like that, but gives you a little bit of information. And look how cute they package everything. It's always adorable. And I forgot to mention the code itself isn't affiliated. I always try and say that in my videos. I don't know if I don't have too many actual affiliate codes. Oh my god, this is jam packed with stuff. Oh yeah, is the first thing? Popcorn meat. Oh, it's a brush. Oh my god, I saw this. I was like, is this a mirror? But brush is even better. Oh my god, this is like, where would you even find something like this? Okay, this is by Tasty. Day and Out. Eye Candy Accessory Co. So let's get this open. I have so many brushes already, but I love having a brush like everywhere. Like I have one in my car, one in each bathroom, one in each room. This is awesome. This is like a good detangler brush. Oh my god, this is hilarious. So let's see what they say about this. I can't get over this. Well, first on top it says, you voted for it. Our fun circus time theme is so much fun. But where's the fruit? Who eats fruit at a circus? So we thought you'd enjoy circus treats this month, such as Cracker Jacks, Animal Crackers, Cotton Candy, and What's Poppin' Creamy Belgian Chocolate Bar. Okay, so where is this one? So how much fun will brushing your hair be with one of 3 tasty treat design hair brushes and soaping up with a colorful tasty treat sponge? So I guess there could have been a variety of different brushes, and I got this popcorn one. So if you guys got a different one than me, I would love to know what you guys got. I don't know why I want to smell it. It smells kind of good, but I think it's just from something else that's in the box. But I think this is just great. Totally goes with the theme, right? And then let's see what they were talking about with the sponge. Yeah, I'm not sure I see a sponge right now, so I don't know what that means. But let's move on to the next. Oh my god. It's right here. I'm like, let's move on to this. This is a sponge. Oh my god, this is great. This is Tasty by the same brand, and this is like a burger sponge. It was just sitting right in front of me. I'm like, where's the sponge? I did not expect it to look like a burger. This is hilarious. Oh my, and it's huge. Oh my god, this is great. Like, seriously, can you find other items? This is like the most unique subscription ever, and I kind of love it. Anyway, let's move on to the treats we have in here. We have like the original like animal crackers, like Barnum's animal crackers. This is like what I remember as a kid. I've seen like zoo crackers, but this is what I remember as like animal crackers. Nice. Very fitting. for the box. And oh my gosh, I need this. I'm gonna eat this right away. The Sweet Peach What's Poppin' Belgium chocolate bar with sea salt caramel popcorn. This looks so good. Oh my gosh. And then we have some Cracker Jacks. And I think this is cotton candy. Yeah, the world's softest cotton candy. I didn't even know you could buy cotton candy like this. That is great. Look at it. So seriously, how well curated is this? Everything is perfect. Let's move on to the next item. What is this? The Eco Smart Live Eco Live Smart Pure Last set of 4 prep cups. Oh, awesome. So there's 4 different size cups. I could totally use this. So it says, on a more serious side, but brightly colored to match the theme, Eco Smart set of 4 prep cups will be a great addition for your kitchen for food prep, sauces, egg beating, and much more. These are so cute. So they're each a different size. That's awesome. I love when they give us house stuff like that. And then what is this little thing? A scented backpack clip? Oh my god, it does. So this is by Oh So Yummy scented backpack clip. It says remove tag and all plastic fasteners before giving it to children. So this is a cola scented little clip. And look, he's got a little face. And it seriously smells like cola. Oh my gosh. And yeah, here's this little clip so you can just clip it on your kid's backpack, your purse, whatever you want. Make it so they're not so stinky. This box is cracking me up. We have one more item, and yay, it's a candle. I love candles so much. This is by Dio, the 100% soy premium fragrance adorable size candle. And what is the scents? It says each adorable size candle burns for 11 to 15 hours, made by hand over 1 mile in the sky. So it's made in Denver, Colorado. And it's, oh my gosh, so cute. It says, adorable size Let's Go to the Lobby candle brings us the nostalgic smell of buttery popcorn with a strong vanilla base and a hint of caramel, and will burn for 11 to 15 hours. And that is what it looks like. Oh my god, seriously, they have such, like, it's totally on theme. Oh my god, that smells so good. It seriously smells like butter. Oh, I want you guys to be able to smell. Smell-o-vision. It really does smell like butter, popcorn, and vanilla, and it sounds like an odd combo, but it is so good. And it kind of makes me hungry. But that was everything, you guys. I think this was such a good box. So I don't think we have a sneak peek for April, so April will be a surprise, but let's just do a quick recap. So we got these 2 super cute items, a popcorn brush, and this big like hamburger sponge. And look at, you can say like to or from. Maybe I should gift this to someone. I don't know why, this just like kills me. I love it. I love these. And then we got a bunch of treats. We got some Cracker Jacks. My favorite personally being this What's Poppin' Belgium chocolate bar with sea salt caramel popcorn. Animal crackers and cotton candy. I couldn't tell you the last time I had cotton candy. Like, no clue. So I'm excited to try that. This cute little Coca-Cola who smells like Coke. So cute. And this is like super practical and nice to have. Like these measuring cups, these Eco Smart measuring cups. So these are bright and colorful, so they see that's how it fits in the theme. And this candle seriously smells so good. You guys, this box is so cute. I love that they're making some changes and lowering pricing. So I'm sorry for anyone that's getting the mini box, will no longer be able to get it. Hopefully, since they're lowering the price, maybe you can get the larger box. I think this was so fun to open. So again, I'm going to link them down below. And again, use that promo code if you want to save 10% off your first box. But yeah, I hope you guys are having a great day. Thank you for unboxing this with me. Such a cute theme, so well curated. It has a big smile on my face. And with what's going on in the world right now, I totally needed that. But anyways, I love you guys. Have a good one. Stay healthy. Stay inside. Do what you gotta do. Take care of your family. And I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.